Hello and welcome back. This is Module 10 of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp Review, the Super Affiliate Network. I'm Adam Shelton and I can't wait to dive into this review for you today. And if you have not yet, if you're not a part of this Profit Boosting Bootcamp in terms of the Super Affiliate Network, where you can grow your business, where you can start, the process of making money online and learn how to do it, education, good education, online marketing, click on the link below to get started right now. I'm talking about right now. So let's go ahead and dive into this review. And I think you may like this because it talks about results. Yes. So I'm Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Now in this review here, Module 10, we're going to talk about the popcorn effect. Now when I talked about the other module, Module 9, we talked about the 5 steps in terms of targeted traffic. Now we're going to talk about the popcorn effect, how to view your funnel as a whole and how to set expectations correctly when it comes to the paid advertising. So the other one we talked about traffic and advertising in terms of the review. And this we're going to talk about the paid advertising. We're going to talk about the whole funnel as a whole. So let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now I'm going to play a little bit of the review video, just a little bit of review. And I'm telling you, when I went to this actually training, I was blown away in terms of the effect that you can have on one result. One result can really kind of just start the whole process, helps your confidence level, and then it kind of helps other things as well. So if you have not yet, if you're not part of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, go ahead and start. Click on the link below. You'll see that right in the description box. And then when you sign up and when you connect with your advisor, when you sign up, tell them you want the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. So let me play a little bit of this video, just a little bit of this, so you can get a good understanding.
Everything will make sense in just a moment. So we're kind of starting with the end in mind, showing you all of these various stats, but for now, just about 10% of our total leads will convert to front-end buyers. From there, we have our $397 product, and then once again, we have different levels of actual annual products. But for simplicity's sake, I'm just going ahead and showing you the $397 per year annual membership.
And that's just a little bit of the view of a funnel. So basically, it's just breaking down methods in terms of levels, in terms of a funnel. So you'll learn this whole process is really cool. I didn't even know about it. I really thought that basically you only did it one way and that's the way you did it. But then here it breaks down the different levels and different type of an effect of how that popcorn effect, how that your funnel can really have that, have that energy effect and have that, wow, one funnel can do all this. I did not know that at all, and you're going to learn that when you go through this training as well. Now, this video is about 32 minutes long, but I'm telling you, you're going to like it. So you want to take your pen and a piece of paper and take good notes when it comes to this, because this is something that I learned about in terms of a whole funnel and how it can really just blow up. I'm telling you, if it's in the right places, if you got things in the right place at all. And you'll learn about Dan. Dan's an internet marketer. He's going to break it down. You can hear his voice. And he said Dan results from the video are above his individual results. So you can't assume that you're going to get those as well. Because I'm going to tell you, results are not typical in any of these trainings. But I'm going to tell you, when you take action, something is going to happen. Something is going to happen. So when you watch this video training here, fill out the module information just like you do on every other module review that we talked about. I want you to go ahead and fill this information out, the biggest takeaway from Module 10. Fill this information out. This information will go to your advisor, and then he or she will discuss your next steps as well. Now, I think you're going to like this video because it's going to basically break down the process of a whole funnel. Because when you have a funnel is a way of actually not only getting that prospect, that lead, but it's getting that lead value, content, offers, opportunity, all in one particular funnel. And you can learn these skill sets in the Profit Boosting Bootcamp and the Super Affiliate Network. So let's go ahead and dive into the training even more. But I want you to click on the link below to get started. If you haven't yet, go through the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. If you've been through the Profit Boosting Bootcamp before, go back over it as well, because there's been some really exciting things that's being added in there all the time. So if you haven't yet, click on the link below, get started, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'll see you on the next module review. It'll be module number 11. Module number 11 will be next, and I can't wait to do another review to help you out today. I'll see you next time.